How to change a WhatsApp chat bubble color. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. After updating WhatsApp, go to your home screen and open up WhatsApp on a device. Now open up your chat on the WhatsApp. If you want to search for the chat, tap on the search icon and type the name. Now tap on the chat. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply tap on chat theme. Now tap on chat color. Now select the chat bubble colors. Now tap on the tick icon at the top right corner and tap on set chat color. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.